So in this tutorial, I'll be putting you through how you can achieve the sleeve. So here is my sleeve and the elastic I'll be using. So I've gone ahead to cut out my full sleeve. So I'll be marking the midpoint of my sleeve just like that with my chalk. And once I've ascertained the midpoint of my sleeve, I'll open it up and then I would draw out the line so that it can be visible for you to see. So the next thing I want to do is to go ahead and place my elastic just to the length where I want my elastic to be, and don't forget to leave out your M allowance. So I'll go ahead now to divide the elastic measurement. What I have, I'll go ahead to divide it into two. That's the full measurement. I'll go ahead to divide it into two because it is half of the sleeve length measurement I'll be using for my elastic. So you can, from the beginning point of my sleeve to that half, the midpoint of my sleeve. So that's what I'll be using. All I need to do is just to drag it down to the level where I want the elastic to terminate, as you can see. So the moment I drag it down, it's going to squeeze to achieve what you need. So this is me sewing up my elastic to the midpoint of my sleeve to the length where I want it to be. As you can see, I'm dragging it to that level and I'm done sewing that elastic to that part. So you can see the outcome, very beautiful, right? So the next thing I want to do is just go ahead and close up my hem just like that. And once I'm done closing up my hem, I'll also close up the side, and my sleeve is ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and please give this video a thumbs up. See you in our next tutorial.